I ordered this fall artificial tree, 3 feet tall, and the pot was mine, 3 feet tall, because I wanted to create like a cozy seasonal look with this same pot base right out of the box. Literally, this worked perfectly. So it has a weighted base. Look, there's the weighted base, and it literally just popped right in. Fit perfectly, and it is weighted, so this is not going to fall over. I love the vibrant oranges and the golds and the greens, and there are pumpkins and other kind of greenery mixed in here. You just really fluff it and bend it a little bit and then place it down, but literally within a few minutes, this is just perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. That's the other one. And I highly recommend. Realistic coloring, instantly adding warmth for fall, and a little charm to the porch. I definitely like the weighted pot, and that it fit right in my standard size pot, and it is very stable. No assembly. Literally opened the box, fluffed it up, and dropped it in. Would I buy them again? Absolutely. It really made decorating my pots so much more simpler. I didn't have to go and assemble these myself. This is just really cute. It's just cute all around. Very, very nice. I highly recommend. They're a great anchor piece for fall, especially if you don't want the mess of real leaves or constant upkeep. Highly, highly recommend.